Every premium television begins with a sheet of glass so perfectly flat and pure that even a single microscopic scratch would render it worthless for display manufacturing. Incoming glass inspection rejects any substrate with defects larger than 1 micron. At this scale, a human hair would appear as a massive contamination event. OLED emitter materials are among the most expensive substances in manufacturing. A single gram of deep blue organic emitter can cost over $10,000. Material purity directly determines display lifetime and color accuracy. Even parts per million contamination can dramatically reduce pixel longevity. Indium tin oxide is a remarkable material, electrically conductive yet optically transparent, forming the invisible electrodes that power every pixel. Polarizer films control light transmission with molecular precision. Without them, the display image would be invisible to the human eye.
Process gas purity is specified at 99.9% pure. Any contamination would destroy the thin-film transistor performance.
The cleaning water is so pure it would dissolve minerals from any natural container. It must be stored and distributed in specialized plastic piping systems. Glass cleaning is obsessively thorough. Each substrate passes through over 12 individual cleaning stages to achieve absolute surface purity.
After cleaning, substrates must be completely dry before entering the vacuum deposition systems. Even a monolayer of water molecules would disrupt thin film adhesion.
Clean substrates are sealed in nitrogen immediately after cleaning to prevent recontamination during transport between process tools. The prepared glass surface must be atomically clean. Each thin-film transistor that will be built on this surface controls a single pixel in the final display. Plasma-enhanced CVD deposits the critical semiconductor and insulator layers that form the foundation of every thin-film transistor in the display backplane. The excimer laser fires billions of intense ultraviolet pulses, converting amorphous silicon into crystalline form without melting the glass substrate. Display photolithography patterns the thin-film transistor circuits that will individually control each of the millions of pixels across the screen. The completed backplane contains over 8 million individual transistors, just one or more for every pixel glass, all built on OLED deposition is the heart of display manufacturing. In this vacuum chamber, organic molecules are vaporized and deposited layer by layer to create self-emitting pixels. Each organic layer is just nanometers thick. The deposition rate is controlled to within a fraction of an angstrom per second. A complete OLED pixel stack requires over 10 individual organic and inorganic layers, each one deposited in a separate vacuum chamber. Film thickness is measured by the resonant frequency shift of a quartz crystal oscillator, detecting mass changes of less than a single molecular monolayer. OLED materials are extremely sensitive to oxygen and moisture. The deposited films must never contact air until fully sealed behind protective barrier layers. Thin film encapsulation deposits multiple barrier and buffer layers that together provide a moisture transmission rate less than 1/millionth of a gram per square meter per day. First light testing confirms every one of the 24 million subpixels is functional. A single dead pixel on a premium display would be unacceptable to consumers. Display uniformity means every pixel across the entire screen produces identical brightness and color when given the same drive signal. Trace. Unlike LCD technology, Each OLED pixel produces its own light. When a pixel is off, it emits zero light. Color filters define the precise wavelength of light each subpixel transmits, creating the accurate color reproduction that premium displays demand. Each color filter element must be precisely aligned to its corresponding subpixel. Misalignment of even a few microns would cause visible color errors. Cell assembly brings together the two halves of the display. The TFT backplane and color filter substrate must be aligned to within 1 micron across the entire panel. The perimeter seal must provide a hermetic barrier for the entire operational lifetime of the display, typically exceeding 50,000 hours. Bonding under vacuum ensures no air bubbles are trapped between the substrates, which would cause visible defects in the displayed image. Glass scribing requires extraordinary precision. The diamond tip creates a controlled surface crack that guides the separation fracture along the exact intended path. Edge grinding removes any micro cracks from the scribe and break process that could propagate and cause panel failure during the product lifetime. Driver-integrated circuits translate digital video signals into the precise voltages that control every individual pixel across the display surface. A large 4K display requires dozens of individual driver ICs, each one capable of simultaneously addressing thousands of individual pixel electrodes. Flexible circuits provide the critical connection between the panel drivers and the main electronics, bending around the panel edge in modern bezel-less designs. Modern displays use hundreds of individually controllable LED zones, enabling local dimming that dramatically improves contrast and HDR performance. Backlight uniformity must be within 2% across the entire surface. Any visible brightness variation would be unacceptable on a premium television.
Module assembly combines the display panel with its backlight and optical films into a single integrated unit ready for television final assembly.
Power-on testing is the first moment the complete display module shows an image. Automated vision systems evaluate uniformity, color, and defect presence across the entire screen. Premium displays are calibrated to reproduce the DCI-P3 or BT.2020 color gamut with delta E color accuracy below 2, indistinguishable from a reference monitor. Automated inspection captures the complete display surface at pixel-level resolution, using deep learning to identify defects that even trained human inspectors might miss. Pixel repair using focused laser ablation can save panels that would otherwise be rejected, significantly improving overall manufacturing yield. Mura defects are subtle contrast variations visible only on specific test patterns. Premium displays must be completely free of Mura to meet consumer expectations. Accelerated aging tests run panels at extreme conditions for thousands of hours, predicting whether the display will maintain its performance over the entire product warranty period. Despite advanced automation, the final quality gate includes human visual inspection, because the human eye perceives certain display defects differently than cameras. Wide viewing angle performance is a key differentiator for premium displays. OLED technology maintains nearly perfect color accuracy at extreme viewing angles.
HDR peak brightness exceeding 2000 nits creates a stunning visual impact that standard displays simply cannot match.
Every display module leaves the factory with a complete digital quality record, enabling any future performance issue to be traced back to its manufacturing origin. Final assembly transforms a display module into a complete consumer product. integrating it with the housing, electronics, speakers, and connectivity systems. The main board processes incoming video signals from multiple sources, upscales lower resolution content, and runs the smart TV operating system. Modern slim televisions pose extraordinary acoustic challenges. Speaker design must produce rich, full-range sound from enclosures only millimeters deep.
Power supply efficiency directly affects energy consumption and heat generation. Premium televisions achieve over 90% power conversion efficiency.
Internal cable routing affects both thermal performance and electromagnetic compatibility. Every wire position is specified in the assembly documentation. First power-on testing on the assembly line confirms that all electrical connections are correct and every system initializes properly. Brand identity placement is specified to within 1 millimeter. The logo position is a critical element of the premium product presentation. End-of-line testing verifies every feature of the finished product, from picture quality to smart TV connectivity to audio performance. Individual factory calibration ensures every television that reaches the consumer produces identical, accurate colors, regardless of manufacturing variation. Smart TV testing verifies over 50 individual software functions, including streaming service integration, voice control, and firmware update capability. Every physical connector is tested for both electrical function and mechanical insertion force to ensure reliable consumer operation. Energy efficiency certification is mandatory in most markets. Every television is individually measured against regulatory power consumption limits. Electrical safety testing is non-negotiable. Every unit must pass high-pot insulation testing and ground continuity verification before shipment. Screen protection during packaging and shipping is critical. A scratched or cracked display discovered by the consumer would destroy brand confidence. Every accessory has a designated location in the packaging to ensure a premium and organized unboxing experience. The distribution warehouse holds tens of thousands of television units, managed by automated systems that can locate and retrieve any specific unit within minutes. Shipment accuracy is verified by scanning every unit against the customer order. A single wrong model shipped would cause costly returns and customer dissatisfaction. Inventory management across global markets requires real-time visibility into stock levels, transit times, and demand forecasts. Export containers are loaded with precise weight distribution and secured with airbag dunnage to prevent any movement during ocean transit. Distribution quality audits verify that packaging adequately protected the product during transit. Any shipping damage triggers immediate investigation. The delivery tracking system provides consumers with real-time visibility from warehouse to doorstep, setting expectations for this premium purchase. The final miles of the journey take the television from factory warehouse to the living room, where it will provide years of entertainment. Retail display presentation directly influences purchase decisions. Demo content is specifically designed to showcase the display technology advantages. The Operations Center provides complete real-time oversight of every production line, test station, and quality metric across the entire factory.
Yield on line 4 is dropping below tolerance. Adjust the flux rate immediately.
Sequence 7 initiated. Monitoring thermal regulators now.
Stabilizing.
Process engineers continuously refine manufacturing recipes to improve transistor performance, display uniformity, and production yield. The factory reference display is calibrated to international color standards with laboratory-grade precision, serving as the absolute quality benchmark.
The current production run is stable. We addressed the minor fault on the robotic arm in Zone 4.
Noted. We'll proceed with the scheduled maintenance check on that unit. OLED deposition chamber maintenance requires surgical cleanliness. Any contamination introduced during maintenance would affect thousands of subsequent panels. Material tracking ensures complete traceability from raw material receipt through finished product, a requirement for warranties and quality certifications.
Every percentage point of yield improvement directly translates to millions of dollars in additional revenue from the same production capacity.
Research never stops. While current technology ships to consumers today, the next generation is already being developed in the pilot line next door.
The human expertise behind every display is as critical as the billion-dollar equipment. Experience,
display manufacturing operates continuously. The capital-intensive equipment must run around the clock to achieve economic production volumes. The night shift maintains the same quality standards as daytime production. Automated systems handle routine operations. Automated end-of-line testing runs through the night, accumulating the test results that morning quality engineers will review and analyze. Night shift packaging maintains the production flow, ensuring tested and approved televisions are packed and ready for morning distribution. Thousands of glass substrates rest in sealed nitrogen storage, each one a future television screen waiting to begin its manufacturing journey. The green status display confirms the entire factory continues to produce premium displays with unchanged quality through the deepest hours of the night. From a single pixel to a complete television, from one factory to millions of living rooms, the scale of modern display manufacturing is breathtaking. Every photograph, every movie, every video call, all rendered by millions of these microscopic light sources working in perfect orchestrated harmony. The ultimate purpose of this extraordinary manufacturing achievement, bringing stunning visual experiences into homes and connecting families through shared entertainment. Industry recognition confirms what consumers experience. These displays represent the pinnacle of visual technology available today. 24 hours, 3 shifts, 1 relentless commitment to visual perfection. This facility represents one of humanity's greatest manufacturing achievements, producing millions of windows into the digital world. From organic molecule to living room, the television screen, our window to the world, born from the art of the screen, glass, light, and human innovation. Behind every image you see,